The year 2011 saw the tighter loan guidelines and approvals that were sanctioned by the Central Bank of Malaysia. Maybank was ranked third in the market in terms of the mortgage business nationwide. The bank's low involvement in the media scene for their mortgage products and the public opinion on low approval rates contributed strongly to a weak secondary loan market. Homeowners also found it difficult and at times hesitant in taking the entire day off during the hectic week schedule to visit the branches to check on the competitive rates for refinancing of their homes. The strategy was simple. The bank needed to capture the potential customers on the weekends. The full week operations would now address the needs of the families that would do things together during weekends, like the busy single yuppies and the desk-bound corporate employees. The question now was how the bank would meet the needs of the weekend banking customers that were relatively small in number, yet are serious about the bank's offerings, yet keeping operations costs low. A truck that served as a mobile office during the weekends was commissioned to address the matter for 24 consecutive weekends in the Klang Valley. Neighborhoods and townships that were eligible for refinancing and was dominated by competitor banks' housing loans were identified. To further beef up the execution strategy, Maybank branches that were closest to the identified cluster of homes were picked to the basis of the weekend operations. Clients that had pending matters were then invited over the weekends to the truck to settle their loan matters. The truck was parked in front of the branches serving the weekend customers. Simple banners were placed a week before the execution as a reminder to the customers that the truck was on the way. The weekend operations would now be a hassle-free option for customers. The client had given a budget of Rm320,000 for the entire project that includes manpower, rental of truck, production, and also licenses. As at weekend 21, the total sales submissions were standing at more than Rm307 million with an approval of Rm173 million, which was at 59% approvals compared to the usual approval rates of 45%. The total acceptance rate for the loan stood at Rm99.8 million, which was an acceptance rate of 61% compared to the usual 50%. With that, the bank agency and the bank has hit the biggest ROI standing at 3,118.